Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I just wanted to make a quick update video on my Infinite Auto Work carbon fiber interior. I had the video of how to replace the cup holder area and the center stack over here, but I never showed what the side looks like over there or the steering wheel trim. So it's been a long time coming. Had a few people ask me to take a quick video showing what it looks like. So here is the finished result. So there's the steering wheel. Those are the magnetic paddles from Beamer plug. I'll show you what they're like in a little bit. You get very nice positive clicks when you shift. That's the little side piece right there. It's carbon fiber. You have your knee bolsters down here. Center console, shifter area, your cup holder, as well as the little piece underneath. I'm actually videotaped from the back seat, but everything works as it should. This is an actual part where you have to remove the top, the original trim, and then you have this part right over here. This piece, for instance, is just an overlay. This piece is an overlay. This piece is an actual part. This is an actual part. And this is an actual part. And it goes all the way around to the top. And that piece in the distance right there, that is an overlay. But all real nice quality stuff. Fit and finish is great. Super happy with the way the interior came out. It looks so much better than it used to with the old finish I had, but this stuff is really nice. So now I'm just going to show you the paddles real quick. They're long. You could actually, you can see here, it's hard to see. You can shift from the bottom as well as the top. So if you hold the steering wheel low, you could still shift, where the factory one only shows up here. This one is much longer, all the way in the back. You have to take the steering wheel apart. Not too bad of a deal. It's pretty easy. But they go in the factory spot. And that's pretty much it for these. They work really nice. The clicks are good. You know if you're shifting or not. And this is the whole setup. I could throw links in the description if you'd like for these products. Like I said, these are from Infinite Auto Works. I could put the exact kit I have, as well as the steering wheel part. I know this part is customizable. You can get this without the carbon. That's how I just have it. So if you have any questions, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.